Very good morning to one and all. I am Dr. Nallagumar, working as a professor under Department of Pharmaceutical Analysis at SNS College of Pharmacy and Health Sciences at Coimbatore. For the B Farm, I am handling for the B Farm second semester pharmaceutical organic chemistry theory and practical I am handling. In this, the pharmaceutical organic chemistry, we are going to learn the classification of organic chemistry. Today we are going to learn. This learning is based on the case study concept. I hope that case study concept is very useful and very simple word to learn the very dry subject like organic chemistry. And the traditional methods of teaching or learning, still we have a lot of doubts and confusions and everything. So this case study is very useful for learning the younger generations, those who are entering newly in the pharma field. So anyway, I am handling for second semester students. They are all from B Farm first year. So I hope this case study is very useful for the B Farm first year students. I mean those who are in the second sem, they are learning in the pharmaceutical organic chemistry. The pharmaceutical organic chemistry grouped based on the functional groups. So we know different functional group we have like aldehyde, ketones, amine, amide, alcohol, so on. So based on the functional group, the organic compounds we are grouping like hydrocarbons or alcohols or aldehyde or a ketone or a carboxylic acid or esters, amine, amide, so on. In this, based on the functional group, the organic compound has physiochemical characters or properties. So, before entering this drug discovery or a drug synthesis, we need to learn about the basic classification and the basic concept about the organic chemistry. So what do you mean by aldehyde? What do you mean by ketone? So what is the difference between aldehyde or a ketone? So and how these functional groups it has the variations we need to learn. So my students also going to participate in this case study and they are going to share their own view about this classification of organic compounds. So, and before entering this drug research or a drug discovery, we need to learn, we need to collect, or we need to group. That is my aim today for this case study. I hope this is going to be very useful. Thank you.
We started by empathizing with the users, pharmacy students and instructors through interviews and surveys with 50 participants with uncovered pain points. Students felt overwhelmed by the sheer volumes of classification. Example, aliphatic versus aromatic, hydrocarbon or halogen compounds. One student shared, I mix up ethers and esters because their names sounds similar and it affects understanding drug interaction like ester hydrolysis in metabolism. Instructors noted that visual aids were lacking, making abstract concept hard to grasp. This stage revealed emotional frustrations like anxiety during exams on topics such as classifications, beta-lactam antibiotics, and steroids.
Next, we define the problem. Clearly, how might we create an engaging intuitive system for classifying organic compounds that help a pharmacy student quickly identify functional group under the pharmaceutical implication. We narrowed into key classification related to drugs, focusing on how groups like hydroxyl in alcohol affect bioavailability or carbon and ketone influence metabolic stability.
In ideation, we brainstormed widely without judgment. Ideas include a mobile app with AR visualization, where user scan a compound as see its classification overlay, flashcards with pharma, like classifying paracetamol as a non-aromatic alcohol with amide. Ibuprofen causing gastric issues due to acidify. We generated over 100 ideas in group session. Real drugs case studies such as classifying stains esters for cholesterol management. Vomiting narrowed a digital interactive map connecting functional group to drug disease. A web-based tool with a mind map increase user drag compound into categories. High filtration added pharma contextant like classifying amines groups. The prototype used a simple tool like Figma for design and basic code for ensuring it cover classification like heterocycles and drug like caffeine.
Prototype, a web-based tool with a mind map interface uses drugs compound in categories. Example, placing morphine in ambience and seeing a pubs on it avoid reducted binding. High fidelity interaction added pharma context like classifying solomonids for antibacterial action.